Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the basic configuration in Schneider Geo SCADA Expert 2025. I will cover the how to set up your project environment. Let's get started. First, we start this program. We should confirm it's running, it's Geo SCADA database service is running. Okay, if you're not running, you click here. Here is running. Then click View X. Okay, then here it's not running. We should log on. This username and password we just set up where you install the software. Okay. So he's running. Now we create a new project. If you create a new project, then Geo SCADA Expert is called group. Okay. Right click here, go to create a new one. In here have group, trend, mimic. Okay. We create group. Double here. My new one. Okay. Then double here. Then here is default. This default, look here, is mimic. We can create mimic. Mimic means the screen. Okay. You can create screen. Here we can create tiger for this SCADA. Create a new one. We just use internet tag because we don't connection PLC, so we just need a tag. First tag analog point, okay, and log one, okay. Second one is the internet. Is digit. Digit 1. Okay. First we click digit 1. Then here is severity. We choose event. Just 01. Okay, event. Then here media doesn't matter. Okay, it's event 1 is high. Okay. Then here description is 0 is off. Okay, is 1 is on. Its display is off on. So go to historic. We should enable. Then here menu should be hand control. Okay. We save. That's it. Then we go to analog. First is 0 to 100 scale. Okay. First alarm is high. Is high is 90. Okay. This alarm is high. This one is 85. Okay, this is 95. High is alarm. Here is high. Okay. Is the fourth gear is critical is 4 is critical. Okay, now we use 10 or 15. Okay, slow is alarm, is alarm, is no, no is they use 5. Okay, alarm is critical. Okay, so we show the historic in here enable, in here mark. Okay, is the menu, is the mark already. Then save. Then we go to default, this screen, mimic. Also, we can create mimic in here. Double click mimic. This new mimic is everything seems similar. Okay, we don't need this one. Delete. Okay, default. Double click. Here's the screen. So we can analog. We go to here. Drag to the screen. We use name and then we in here is value. We can choose value. Okay. Then digit or this analog value. So we can as analog value. We can choose format value. Let me compare. This have this one. All the same. Digit, go here, digit, number, name, okay, in here, digit name. Go to value. Here's 0, 1, on, off, okay. Okay, we can save. Also, we can use button. Start stop button. Okay, we right click, go to the pick action visit. We choose method. Next, when here we choose object, we choose digit. Okay, in here method, we choose hand control. Okay. Next. Okay. In here, we can use in here light. Double click here. Go to animation. Go to fill. Go to fill color. We double click edit. Here we don't need. We go to flowchart. Go to here. So in flowchart, we can insert is okay. He told you is true. What color is true? We choose color is red. Okay, is false. Color we choose green. Okay. Then we double click here, true. We choose, in here we choose Tiger, OPC tag, okay. Now we use digit 1. We go to here, digit, go down, go to here, current state, okay. This digital current state. In here, digital current state. Okay. Close. That's it. So also we can analog. We can analog put here. Go to here. Go to value. Go to vertical bars up. Oh, in here up. That's it. This basic stuff. We save. Now you can see the triangle in here is a design mode. If you click, it become run mode. Okay. In here, we can choose stop is off. We can use on. On. Look, it's red. Here you can use control handle. It's off. Red. So digit number, we can hear is the hand control. It's 90. Should be right. Look here, 90 is right. Here is 90. Here's 90.0. It's all the similar. Hand we can use 50 is great. Okay, we can here is 10. In here hand 20 is okay. 10 is right. Okay, so also we can check. Go to here, display is the event. We can see which event is happened before. Okay, also is alarm, display alarm. Then here no alarm, no is no alarm. Okay, we can see no alarm. Okay, it's a high alarm. Look, control 95. Look here, alarm. The high alarm is coming. Okay, here because it's on. That's it. Also, we can create its value is the horizontal bar, left, center, look like this, center bar. We can try, save. $50. Look, here's 50. That's it. This one is basic stuff. In here is added graphic. Most of you use this graphic. In here is design. Okay, double click. This is the software completely different as the normal SCADA software. He used different. Okay, thank you very much.